Good morning, students. Already we completed full chapters in volume 1 and volume 2. Again I am explaining because of some other students they didn't attend the online classes. That's why I am again explaining. Okay ma? See, in the classes we have completed up to 8 chapters. Next see the decimal fractions. What is called decimal fraction means before we are going to decimal fraction, we are going to this activity. What is this activity? See, write the fraction for the shaded parts in the space provided. Column A. See here. How many parts are divided here? Total parts 6 parts are divided. Okay ma? In these 6 parts, how many parts shaded? 2 parts shaded. So what is the fraction? 2 by total part 6. 2 by 6. Next. Here see how many parts divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts is there. 1 part is shaded. So what is the fraction? 1 by 8. Next here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. In that 8 parts, how many parts shaded? 4 parts are shaded. So what is the fraction? 4 by 8. Next in the C column B. How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 parts. In the 10 parts, 2 parts are shaded. That is 2 by 10. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10 parts are divided. In these 10 parts, how many parts shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are shaded. 4 by 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 parts are there. In these 10 parts, how many parts shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 6 by 10. Okay, what do you observe here? Column A and column B. What can you say about the fractions in column A and column B? See here column A. One see the denominators here. Here 6, here 8, here 8. These are like fractions and these are unlike fractions. So, column A is unlike fractions. And see here column B, all the denominators must be the same. 10 is the denominator. So, these fractions are called like fractions. Okay ma? Do you know the difference between like fractions and unlike fractions? Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. So see here, fractions that have 10, 100 or 1000 as denominators are called decimal fractions. So what is called decimal fraction means fractions having denominators as 10, 100, 1000 like that means they are called decimal fractions. See here in column A, this is a decimal fraction, children. No, these are not decimal fraction. Column B is a decimal fraction. Why? Because here denominators having 10. So these are decimal fractions. See here. This is a thousands, hundreds. This cube will be divided into how many parts? 1000 parts. And this one 100 parts. And this one tens. And this is 1 cube. Now turn the page, children. We know that 10 hundreds form 1000s. So 10 hundreds forms 1000. So if a 1000 cube is divided into 10 equal parts, each part will be 100. So if a 1000 cube is divided into 10 equal parts, each part will be 100. Okay. So 10 hundreds form 1000. We also know that 10 tens make 100. So if a 100 sheet is divided into 10 equal parts, each part will be 1 tenth. Okay ma? Next 10 ones make 1 10. So if 1 10 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part will be equal to 1 ones. So in the system of numbers, while moving from the ones place to thousands place, we multiply each place by 10. So in the system of numbers, while moving from the ones place to thousands place, we multiply each place by 10. While moving from thousands place to ones place, we divide each place by 10. If you move this side, ones place to thousands place, you have to multiple by 10. If we move thousands to ones place this side, you divide with 10. Okay, ma? See here, let us take a closer look at ones block. See here, this is one block. This one block divided into how many parts, children? 10 parts. The one block is divided into 10 equal parts. What fraction of the ones block is colored red? What is the fraction colored red? 1 part. So 1 by total parts 10. 1 out of 10 parts of the ones block is colored in red. That is 1. 1 out of 10 parts of the ones block is colored in red. That is 1/10 of the one block is red. That is, see here, out of 10 parts, red color shade is 1 part. So what you have to do? So 1 block divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 10. This called as 1/10. What do you call this one? 1 by 10? 1/10. When the ones place is divided into 10 equal parts, we get a new place called the tens place. So the ones place is divided into 10 equal parts, we get a new place called tens place. So the number system is extended to accommodate the new place as shown. See here, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, we know. Here one new place is came. What is that? Tens place. These ones will be divided into 10 parts. We will get tens place. So after decimal point you have to write the tens place. So the fraction 1 by 10 is written as 0.1 using a decimal point. What do you call this point? Decimal point. So the decimal point separates the whole number part from the decimal part. So from here see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are called whole number part. After decimal point, this is called decimal part. So this way of representing fractions is known as decimal numbers or decimals. So this way of writing, this is called decimal number or decimals. See here, 0.1. 0 is the whole number part. After decimal point, what do you call? Decimal part. This is the whole number part. This is the decimal part. And what do you call this point? Decimal point. Let us further divide the ones block into 100 equal parts. This is the ones block. This ones block divided into how many parts? 100 equal parts. And what is the color shaded here? How many parts color shaded here? Red color 1. So the ones block is divided into 100 equal parts. What fraction of the ones block is colored in red? 1 by 100. So 1 block divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 100 or 1/100th. So 1 by 100, what do you call? 1/100th. By dividing the ones block further we get, see here, 1 block divided by 1000 equal to 1 by 1000. What do you call this one? 1000th. Now turn the page, children. See here, shows the place value table with the new places introduced in accommodate decimal numbers. We know the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here see 1 by 10. Where you have to write 1 by 10? This is after decimal point you have to write. This is 1 by 10. What do you call? 1/10. So tens place. After decimal point, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So decimal point after you have to write 1. Next see 1 by 100. 1 by 100. That means 0.01. Why? Because here this is a hundreds place. So 1 can be written as in hundreds place. Next 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 can be read as thousands. 1000s. So 1 can be written in the thousands place. Before that you have to put zeros. Did you understand, children? How to do? This is the class today, children. Have a nice day. Goodbye.